Hey everyone, this is Aisha Sheikh and I hope you all are doing well. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you the phonic sounds of all the 26 English alphabets. So here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.